Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, I show you how you can mine different cryptocurrencies on your GPU and also how to mine them on your CPU. What I mean by that is you're mining on the normal algorithm, so this one's mining on Ethereum, and you can also get one that mines on 𝐥𝐻 or ETC. What they do is they mine on one of those three, but you can tell the Unminable page or the Unminable pool to pay you out in a certain cryptocurrency. So this one is mining Ethereum but paying me out in BTT. I also showed you on how to download your 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞 and how to create certain CPU files, but I'll just give a brief rundown for those that haven't seen this side of it, and we will go from there. So what you first need is, if you go to the Unminable website, so unminable.com, you'll see all the different tokens or cryptos here. You can use your GPU, your graphics card, or your CPU to earn any one of these. So if you want to earn Raven, Uniswap, 𝐦𝐤𝐤, Neo, you can. You can mine other things with other programs, but with Unminable you can get all these. So if you want to earn Matic, Polygon, whatever, Sol, 𝐜𝐨𝐬, there's your BTT obviously. It's very simple. All you need to do, like even Bitcoin if you really want. So what you're mining is, for example, these algorithms. So you can mine on Ethereum, you can mine on ETC, you can mine on 𝐥𝐻, and you can mine RandomX or XMR, whatever you want to do. With the mining, it does tell you what they do need, and you got your standard mining fee of 1%, or if you put a referral code in, you'll get a 0.25% discount. All you want to do is click on your 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞 in the Unminable and it'll pop up. You can download off these, but this command here is what you want. You don't want the pause at the end, we'll get into that. But I found downloading it easier just to type 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞.com, coming through and click download. If you guys want to download Monero, just go to your wizard here, click start, new configuration, add pool, pick the pool you want, pick the wallet, put your Monero wallet address and click your location. Once you've done that, you go through, you can say I want to mine on my CPU. If you want to mine on your GPU at the same time, please feel free, but do know that it's not profitable to mine Monero or XR on your GPUs. Miscellaneous, you can change the donation percentage to 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞 and then save, and you've got your results. But if we don't do that, if we go to home, download, once you've downloaded, it'll pop up with 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞 and a few other things. You won't have all these CPU mining programs on there, but it'll pop up with a few samples. All you want to do is go to one of the CMD files and edit it. When you edit, so I'll actually copy one so you guys can see. When you edit it, all you want to do is find the token you want. So let's say we want to earn Bitcoin. All you want to do is rename it Bitcoin Mining CPU. You can call it whatever you want. I just find it easy to have it named something that I know what it is. So then if you go over here and you edit it, so you can see that you've got the command up here, which is pretty much identical to this command here, without the pause and without the ℕ. So all I do is copy from here across, So where it says your worker name to your 𝐥𝐸𝐤 and paste it. So realistically, if we did that, we're going to copy this in here, and then what it tells it to do is mine on 𝐥𝐸𝐤, which is the program we downloaded, on this pool, mining RX, and pay us out in whatever token we want or crypto we want, and then pay us out in to our address. Now I'm going to go through to here because this is my Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to copy and paste that. So what you want to do is you want to paste your Bitcoin wallet into here. I'm going to call it my gaming CPU. And I'm going to put in my referral hash because I want to, done. You don't have to put in a referral. That's only if you want to. And in the coin section, it'll tell you you have to put BTC because we want to get paid out in BTC. So type BTC. Once this is done, guys, you want to go over, click -- threads equals, and give it a number. So let's go 3 or 4. It doesn't matter. All you're doing is telling it how many threads on your CPU you want to use. If you want to use all the threads on your CPU, like max out your CPU, don't worry about putting the thread count. It'll automatically do the best it can. But if you want to limit it so you're not cooking your CPU, or you want to use your computer whilst doing it. For example, I like to mine whilst doing things on my computer. All you have to do is type the thread limit in, grab your Bitcoin address, click search. Nothing will pop up because you're not actually mining or doing anything, so you haven't earned anything. But once you've done that, type in --p and save it. Now these, if you've watched my other videos, you know these CMDs can be a little bit fickly. They don't like to play the game sometimes, but all you want to do, I might even get rid of that copy. Done. All you want to do is double click it, and doesn't like us. So as I said, it can be a little bit fickly. If we went ahead and just did the -p like it recommends, it will pop up saying it doesn't like it. So that requires a pp space p argument. So we're going to edit it, and we're going to be -- space. Now sometimes it doesn't like the space in between them as well. See, unsupported non-argument with the p, but it's kicking off, and there you go. So you guys can see that it's now using Argon 2. It's mining RX. It's got 12 threads in my computer. We're telling it to only use 3 threads. And that's it. We are now mining XMR, or sorry, we're mining RX on your CPU. The minimum Bitcoin payout is 0.001 Bitcoin. So it's a fair amount if you want to get paid out in Bitcoin, but we're mining and we're getting paid out in Bitcoin. So it's as simple as that to earn Bitcoin on your CPU. If you wanted to do other things, for example Litecoin, it's the same process, guys. You can see I've got everything at the front here. I'm just telling it I want to get paid out in Litecoin, and I want to get, there's my Litecoin wallet. So you guys can see if I open up every single one of these, there's a few differences between them. It's just a matter of what works for you. But you can see that Yeah. You guys can see that everything at the front is exactly the same no matter which one you go with. It's just the token and the address. So even after it, the gaming and the referral link or code, the thread count you can change, or the dashes and the P's. So absolutely everything is the same. The only thing you have to change is the token or the crypto you want to get paid out in, and the address. So honestly, as long as it's in this list here, you can earn it. And it's as simple as, if you want to earn sushi, click into it, just type in sushi at the start and put your address. So if you want sushi, type sushi and type your sushi address here. And that's it, guys. So as far as you're concerned, you can earn any one of these cryptos on your CPU, and you can tell it exactly how hard to work for you and earn as much or as little or as much as you want. Alright, I'll leave it at that. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. Please feel free to let me know, but we'll leave it at that for today. Alright, bye.